Hey guys, Tony Dimaria here with Full Sense Pro, and I'm here to tell you about the ProAim Cyrus vibration isolator. This is my Tacoma, and this is my red Komodo setup on my Movi Pro TB50 with 1880 servo lens with the bright tangerine matte box. We shoot a lot of automotive and a lot of off-road material. You know, we usually use black arms, but this thing is ultimately the fast setup that we're looking for. It was always taking so long to move the whole camera package from the rear to the front of the vehicle. Pretty much eliminates all that. Now we can have a black arm on the back, you know, for higher speed, and we have a clean front roller camera setup for the front, which is really good for 3/4 if the vehicle is here or tails away, that kind of deal, or some nice establishing shots. This is the way to go. This thing can have interchangeable dampeners, which is really cool. Black for heavier, dutier setups like the Red Raptor or Gemini. Then they have the blue, which is more catered to this lighter payload. And then they have the red for DSLR. That's a little more lighter duty. You can mount this thing to suction cups, to windshields, to racks, you name it. I mean, there's plenty of 1/4-20 and 3/8 on it. And this thing's super stable. I mean, it just bolts right up. This thing compares to the Kessler crane one. It's an alternative to black arms. So pretty much, this thing can pack right down to a Pelican. Thank you, ProAim, for helping out and having us test this thing, and we're gonna put it to its limits. So let's go driving. Off the front mount here, I was very impressed and on the stability and the amount of speed and G's I was putting on it. Check out and order this product on ProAim's website. You'll be super impressed, and for the price, you can't beat it. Tony Dimaria here at Full Sense Pro. Enjoy, guys.